Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and here we are in Thailand. Yes, we're in Thailand for the World Cup. We're following Rashid and Yusuf. So we're here in the airport. Look at this beautiful airport. This is gorgeous. So here we go. We're gonna all get in a van and travel an hour and a half. See what happens. And look who we got here.
The mustache
Calas.
guy.
Mustache guy. Yeah. Rashid. There's my man.
Get the big one. Get the big one.
Hey, the what? Get the what?
The big one.
No,
Put this back.
Wait, that's my suitcase. What do you look at that? What do you mean? Right, so here we are in this van, which I'm very like 9 people, right? 10 people van. It's really small. It's tight. It's 3. Yeah. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 people and 9. So this van is 9 people plus the driver, and it's super small. It's crazy, but you know, it's very comfortable. Look at this thing. Look how fancy. Woo!
Die food.
All right, this is the morning. First morning here in Thailand. You ready?
No.
We had to have coffee or anything, all sleep, because this one here is too excited and he keeps waking us up.
It's 1 o'clock.
No, excited.
How many hours did we sleep next to thanks to Yusuf?
6 hours. 6, right?
Yeah, 6 hours? No, that's not too bad. It feels like 3.
You have the keys?
Yes.
Okay, at least we can close the door. Alright, we're good.
All right, here we go. First day, baby. All right, so what's cool about this place is we're here in the hotel and the jet skis are right here. All we have to do is just walk down the stairs right from the lobby of the hotel, and here we are. Everyone is here. And here's our little baby.
What else?
So now all the chaos starts. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, so we took the whole crate out. Now we can put the jet ski on the trailer. Here's Mr. Cron. Hey! How you doing, man? So here we go. Put the steering back on, and we should be ready to go.
Okay. I guess.
So we have to gather as much people as we can for this. And like I said, this is a very close community. Even though we are all competitors, we all help each other, and that's the beauty of this sport, and that's why I really enjoy coming to this, being part of this. I really enjoy being part of this because everybody help each other. James, how you doing, buddy?
Hey,
Sir?
nice to see you again on this side of the world.
How's Thailand?
Oh my God, I just almost died 3 times.
Sir?
Hi. I'm getting.
You're
See?
a jet ski racer? Oh no.
I'm here. I'm getting shit about your little.
Wait. No, you crazy? I'm not going with you. No. Can you believe this guy?
James. Let's go.
Alright, so where are we going?
Flamingo garage.
What are we doing at Flamingo Garage?
It's a lake basically.
Oh. Alright, well.
So we'll go test there, you know.
Alright, cool. So, and we probably got more tools than what you brought on that little bag, right?
My friend, left.
So, when you come in one of these trips, you're limited on the tools. You have to improvise here. This is taking a little longer than what I wanted it to take. But hey, you make the best of it. And look at this. Look who my cameraman is. Mr. Fizzle. That's what happened when you got nothing to do. See, you start taking pictures and posing for pictures. James, what's wrong with that picture? How many times he's been there for like 15 minutes trying to get the right picture?
His face is not gonna change.
Again, improvising over here with the tools.
روح كمل.
هاي ما ادري ايش فيها خربانه شيء فيها ترى.
خشمك خربان.
All right, so we came to the Flamingo fancy garage and it's closed. We're working outside. Miscommunication. Hey, but no problem. This is what makes this trip so fun. We got half of the tools, but we got a lot of manpower. Believe it or not, look at this. There's like 2 working and the rest are watching. But you know what? That is what makes it fun. This is so cool. And the lake is right there. So we are going testing. So let's see what happened. All right, so we had the engine full of oil because of the traveling. No, it's not blown up. It's just from traveling, you got to put a lot of oil everywhere or everything gets rusty. So now we're cleaning up. We took all the oil out from the cylinders and now we just started out, first startup. We changed the spark plugs and we go test. All right, so we found, what is this thing called? What is this called? Side by side, right? All right, so we found this side-by-side here and they got it started and we're just using it right now. Look at this place. So this place was built by someone who loves jet skiing. And look at this. This is pretty cool. That is a bronze jet ski. Interesting. What a beautiful place. You can sit here, it's like a park. You sit here and you watch people practice. It's not very big, it's just to practice. Man, what a nice place. Wow. So having fun. Now it's Rashid's turn for the fair ride. He's going to play. She's gonna give it a real test, kind of, you know. Not we're still on the testing. We gotta tune and just get it better.
Too heavy. We need another.
Here goes Yusuf now. Yusuf! Look at you, how cute. You put in a helmet on. What, you gonna go fast now?
I'll try.
We will adjust later. Oh, you should have kept them there. Maybe they fly off.
Push, push.
Push, push. What an amazing place. Wow. Fizzle, this is it, we wish we had this thing over there.
Yeah.
Holy crap, this place.
Is it for sale?
اليوم اللي ترك وراء عيب عليك لا اله الا الله عيب عليك محمد رسول الله راعي الكباب حاضرين شغل شغله كذا مع الثاني انت شلون تسوق وياه؟ هذا سوق انتوني طيارة الساعة 12 الظهر يعني بيرفكت تايمك حقك انا كمان يعني متى تبي تكون في المطار؟
Alright, so we're back at the hotel. We're done for the night. We did a lot of testing today. We got more testing for tomorrow. So the jet ski is gonna be here. We cover it up just with the rest of everybody else. And we will go back tomorrow. And now we gotta eat. We didn't even have breakfast. We've been working this thing so hard. No breakfast, no nothing. And a little hungry. So we're gonna go eat now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Fearless.